Good job. Can you take it off and put it back on? Can you put the hat on?
You put it back on your head?
Can you put it back on your head? Yeah.
Us.
Oh, this is for Mommy? Oh, thank you, Elliot. Thank you. Can you put it on Daddy? Can you put it on Daddy? Yeah. Yes, Dada's hat. Can you say hat?
Say hat. Hat.
Boo! Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Elliot, you're clean. The hat's not clean.